Hi again. Reflect on yourself. It's a time to dig deeper into yourself. What works well and what doesn't. Marami po yan. All I could say is your smile is your logo, your personality is your business card, and the way you make others feel is your trademark. So be true to yourself, who you really are. You don't need to pretend. But remember, you have to face the trials, the challenges with head on, with your head and your chin up, because you can definitely do it. Believe you can, and always face the challenges with a smile on your face. Yung pag-iiyak, yeah, you have to let it go. It's okay not to be okay. But pagkatapos niyo po, dapat po tayong bumangon. Kasi wala pong gagawa sa atin noon. And para na din naman po makapabuti tayo sa ating, sa ating kapaligiran, to the people around us, we should also inspire others because baka may pinagdadaanan din sila. That's why I keep telling people, smile. Because again, the smile that you have on your face is your logo, and also talaga pong nababago ang araw ng iba if kayo po ay nagsasmile. So do that. Positive mindset is everything. How you think, how you act would definitely define your future. Your actions, your words, your thoughts, they're all powerful. So yun lang po. And if nagustuhan nyo ang video ito, paki-repost na po pagkatapos nito, and also pakilagay na rin sa inyong favorites. And kung meron kayong i-share about it, magkomento kayo. And if nagustuhan nyo, thumbs up tayo or papuso. Looking forward to really knowing each and every one of you. And again po, God bless each and everyone, and believe you can. Kaya natin to. This is Team Rivera Digital saying God bless all. Bye for now, and see you on our next video. Bye.